Jam production begins at the source, with carefully selected, ripe fruits harvested at peak freshness.
Each batch is handled with care to preserve quality before it reaches the factory. Freshly harvested fruits are transported quickly to ensure flavor, color, and texture are preserved. At the factory, the journey continues as raw ingredients enter the production process. This careful sourcing ensures every jar begins with quality you can trust.
Strawberries, mangoes, apples, and berries are carried by conveyor belts toward the washing area. These fruits then enter the washing system for deep cleaning. High-pressure water jets remove dirt and surface residues from every fruit. Soft brushes gently clean the fruit while protecting delicate surfaces. Leaves and unwanted debris are automatically separated and removed. A final rinse ensures the fruits meet strict food safety standards. Once cleaned, the fruits are ready for sorting and quality inspection.
After washing, the fruits enter the sorting and inspection stage.
An initial manual check removes visibly damaged or unsuitable fruit.
High-speed cameras then inspect every fruit for size, color, and quality. Any fruit that does not meet quality standards is immediately detected.
Rejected fruits are automatically diverted from the production line.
Only the best quality fruits move on to the next stage of processing.
Selected fruits now move into the processing stage.
Fruits like apples and mangoes are peeled automatically.
The fruits are then cut into uniform pieces for even processing. Crushing and pulping convert the fruit into a smooth base for jam. Seeds and unwanted solids are removed during this stage.
The pulp is refined to achieve the right texture for jam. The prepared pulp is now ready for cooking. The fruit pulp is transferred into large cooking kettles.
Gentle heat and constant stirring ensure even cooking.
Excess moisture is removed, allowing the mixture to thicken naturally.
Modern systems carefully monitor concentration and consistency.
At the end of cooking, a smooth jam base is formed.
The cooked mixture is now ready for ingredient mixing.
The cooked fruit mixture enters the mixing tanks.
Sugar is carefully added to enhance sweetness and preservation. Pectin is mixed in to give the jam its characteristic texture. Continuous mixing ensures a consistent texture throughout.
Flavor and texture are carefully adjusted at this stage.
The jam is now ready for final quality control and heating. At this stage, the jam undergoes final texture and flavor control. Viscosity and gel strength are carefully monitored. Flavor balance is fine-tuned to ensure consistency. Color and appearance are checked to meet quality standards.
The finished mixture is now ready for pasteurization.
To ensure safety, the jam now enters the pasteurization stage. Carefully controlled heat removes harmful bacteria without affecting quality. Modern sensors ensure the jam remains within safe temperature limits. Rapid cooling helps preserve flavor, color, and texture. Once pasteurized, the jam is safely transferred for filling. Before filling, the jars are thoroughly sterilized. The pasteurized jam is then transferred to the filling line. Each jar is filled with a precise amount of jam.
Automated systems check that every jar is filled correctly.
Once filled, the jars move directly to sealing.
At this stage, the jars are still open and uncapped.
Each jar now receives a cap, placed carefully on top. The caps are then tightened under vacuum to seal the jar. Each seal is checked to ensure safety and freshness. Once sealed, the jars move on for cooling and setting. After sealing, the jars move into the cooling stage.
Cooling happens gradually to protect the jar and product.
Cooling allows the jam to set and stabilize, completing the process. Once cooled, the jars are prepared for packing. Automated systems place the jars into cartons. The cartons are sealed for transport. Packed cartons are palletized and secured.
The finished jam leaves the factory, ready for distribution.
The finished products are transported safely to their destinations.